Hello guys, today I will show you how to make photo watercolor painting in Canva. Let's get started. First, go to the apps and search for Artvader. Next, click on the first app that appears. After that, click on the Choose option. Then, go to File, and you can choose any image. I have an image, so I will open it. Now it is generating, so you need to wait. Now see that it has given us this image. You need to enlarge its size and go to Elements and search for Watercolor. Next, click on Settings and then click on Yellow here. Next, you need to click on Edit Image, then click on BG Remove. This will remove the background of the image and add it. After that, you will see many more watercolors. I will use this one. Then click on the left button, go to Layer, and click on Send to Back. This will move the image behind the other image. After that, you need to enlarge the image at the bottom a bit. So this was our image. Let us know how you like the image. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel on YouTube and click the bell icon.